Hey everyone, it's James from Fun Foods, and today I'm not in my kitchen. I'm here in Scotland at We're the Miller's kitchen, and I have Caleb and Blake, and they're going to help me make these Batman cookies. So keep watching and you'll see step by step how to make these. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is start off with a large bowl, and this is 225 grams of butter, and just make sure it's room temperature. And you're going to hold it. How about if Blake scoops it out? Scoop some out as much as you can. Scoop it out. Get a big chunk. There we go.
That was a good one.
That was a good one. Scoop it out.
No, that's me.
Yeah, I'll let you get some too. He gets about half. Put it in there. Scoop it out. Put it in. Good job. Now you just scoop as much as you can right out in there. Hold it over that way if it falls out. It'll go right into the bowl like Blake's did. Go ahead and pull. There you go. There you go. Drop it in there. Here, let me see. See if I'll get all the rest of that out of there. Good.
Done.
Good
Yeah,
enough.
that's a lot of butter.
That's a lot of butter. So now we're going to just mix this up a little bit. Good job. We don't need much. Now, both of you can hold that. Yeah, I see it. And then when I say 3, dump it in there. Ready?
All of it.
All of it. 1, 2, 3.
Dump.
Dump it in. Good job. All right. So now we get to mix it up again.
Yeah.
Turn it. Boom. Here. You got it. Go ahead. All right. Good job. That's all we need now. I'm still going to leave this right here.
But we need to mix that again.
We need to measure out the flour.
Yay! What are we making again?
So,
Did you hear that?
275 grams of flour. So y'all watch this. Tell me when it gets to
280.
right before 280.
Okay.
All right. Let me know when it gets there because I can't see.
You just get as much as you can.
As much as I can in there. This is flour. This is just plain flour.
Spread it out. Or
Yeah.
push it down.
So what I'll do, since it's what 275 is we'll half it. We're gonna do that, and one of you gonna dump this one in, and then someone else will dump the other one.
I'm closest.
Actually, he's closest. You'll dump the next one in, Caleb. So Blake's gonna dump this in. Just dump that whole thing in there. Dump it all in there. Good job. So and then the next one.
Can I put it
Scoop a little bit out, just a little bit. This is gonna be a mess. I don't have to clean up, so it doesn't matter. Careful. Scoop some in there. Good job. All right, here. Just dump it right on
Does it
there.
have to go to the 200?
Good job. My turn.
Does it have to go to the 200?
Nope, we're gonna get to 100 now. When it gets right there, let me know.
Oh, it's nearly
Close.
there. Just put a
Focus
little
a
bit, a
little.
little bit, a little bit.
A little bit.
Oh, it's so close.
Only we know.
It's nearly there. I swear. It's there.
It's there.
Look.
It's there.
Look.
Chef Caleb. Let's see. Chef Caleb, stand up.
Me.
Yep. Chef Caleb will dump that in. Awesome. Almost. This is going to be fun now. We'll start off slow. Don't try to do all of it at once. All right.
It's making crumbs.
Good job. Now, Blake, next.
It's making crumbs.
Yep. All right, my turn. My turn.
It's making crumbs. Wait.
All right.
Try it.
Put it back over that way. Put it back over that way because you need to get that bowl. The bowl.
It's good. It just tastes like the
So
cake.
we're gonna put a little bit of flour on here. Just a little bit. Yep, just like and just sprinkle it right on here. No, right here. Yep, on the counter. We get to make a mess. Isn't that fun? Now you want to sprinkle a little bit
What
on
are you
here?
doing?
You'll see. That's the fun part.
Oh, we can
Sprinkle
spread
right
it
here.
out.
Yeah, spread it right here. Awesome. Good job. Just take it. Just go like here to here.
Okay.
Don't just right to here like that much. Yep. Don't go any farther than that. Just like this. Good job. Good job. Okay. That's good.
What if you don't get flour in your
No, don't blow it, no. turn the dough out onto our counter, which has been floured. Look at that. Floured. And here we go. Look.
Wow!
Scrape out
We even need to crush it like.
Hold on.
Oh no, we get to roll it.
Now,
I'm
we're gonna-
stuck on my sleeves.
sprinkle a little more on here just to be on the safe side because it's quite sticky at the moment. I'm gonna flour the rolling pin now. Before we roll it,
The dough.
I'm just gonna flatten it down, and this is just called kneading it. I'm just gonna knead it a little bit, and I might need some more flour on the surface.
I can do it.
Spoonful on there. That's good. Like, here you go. Now what we're going to do is roll this out about a quarter of an inch in thickness. And both going to help roll it nice and thin, slowly, slowly. Yep, look at that.
All you're doing is writing it like a super thing.
Yeah, it's just... Pull your chair. Let's pull your chair closer. Closer. Now we have a baking sheet that we're going to put these on, but before we do, I'm just going to leave it right there. We have Batman. Do you want to use
And we're making.
That's a little one.
We're making some. There's a little one. Cookies.
Batman cookies. Use as much as we can. Now that's good. Okay, so I'm going to take a butter knife and I'm just going to scrape this up just so I can get it and put it right on our cookie sheet.
If you make any cake, ask an adult to help you.
Yes, because it's a hot oven. So we're going to put this at 170
Wait, don't
degrees
get-
Celsius.
Okay.
I know. I was ready for it. About.
It's not recorded.
It is.
That's weird.
It's because they're watching. Look, they're watching us. Those people, YouTube's watching us.
YouTube.
Yeah.
That's how you
YouTube is
see
watching
it.
us. Are you all done?
There.
That's good. Very good. Oh, one thing. You know what? Oh no. No, okay. No more. Oh, it's funny. So now we have this, it's like fondant back home at icing. It's called kneading it. You have to push it onto this. Yep, just like that. Good job.
I'm gonna make it into
And then
bowling.
pick it up and push it back down into there. That's good. Alright, so now I'm just gonna flatten that down a little bit. We're gonna roll this out real thin, super, super duper thin. I'm gonna do it slowly here, else it'll crack.
I didn't know you were there. Sorry, wee pals.
So now guys, we gotta cut out the Batmans. But keep it near the edge here. Cut out some Batmans. Push them down. Good job. Don't. Remember, cut out more small ones than big ones. That's good on the big ones. I think 3 is good.
The cookies are just ready. James is just getting them.
Okay, so the cookies are out of the oven. They're nice and brown around the edges. And we're going to leave these sit to cool down before we pull them off.
We're gonna do some Batman ice cream cookies.
With the little ones. Push them in. Good job. Try and make as many as you can. Push them all the way
Wait,
down.
you can work on your fist fingers.
Yeah. Here we go. We've made the cookies. I let them rest. And now it's time to decorate them. Okay,
This one's
good
the
job.
best. Wait, I want to
All
put
right,
it on.
so put it right on there. Gently.
This one.
No, this one right here.
That one's the best
Yep.
one.
Put it on there just like that. Line it all up. And the best you can. You can move a little bit. And it's right on there. I'm just gonna gently push this in, not much, just gently, just so it holds.
This one
Spot.
is my favorite.
That's your favorite? That looks good. Okay, so now it's the best time of every video. We're gonna do the taste test. We're gonna try out our Batman cookies and see how they taste. And who wants to be the first to taste it? Me. Okay, we'll all do it at the same time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What do they taste like?
It tastes like the icing tastes like just normal. It tastes like hailstones and wee drops of heaven.
Yeah, it does. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching us make these Batman cookies. It was a lot of fun making them. We had a great time here in Scotland with We're the Millers. Be sure to check their channel out. I'll have a link in the description below as well as one of those cards above. They're awesome, they're fun, and anything you guys would like to say?
See you later, alligator and a wild crocodile.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
And they're gonna help me make these Butterman.
Ah,
Jeez,
try
we're
it
gonna
again.
try it again next time.
Hailstones and drums.
And rainbow.
Tastes like Batman cookies.
See you later, alligator in a crocodile.
Sure.
See you all in the next program.